No More Mr. Nice Guy by Robert Glover. 5 decades of dramatic social change and monumental shifts in the traditional family have created a breed of men who have been conditioned to seek the approval of others. The author calls these men nice guys. Nice guys are concerned about looking good and doing it right. They are happiest when they are making others happy. Nice guys avoid conflict like the plague and will go to great lengths to avoid upsetting anyone. In general, nice guys are peaceful and generous. Nice guys are especially concerned about pleasing women and being different from other men. In a nutshell, nice guys believe that if they are good, giving, and caring, they will in return be happy, loved, and fulfilled. Sound too good to be true? It is. Over the last several years, the author has encountered countless frustrated and resentful nice guys in his practice as a psychotherapist. These passively pleasing men struggle in vain to experience the happiness they so desperately crave and believe they deserve. This frustration is due to the fact that nice guys have believed a myth. This myth is the essence of what the author calls the nice guy syndrome. The nice guy syndrome represents a belief that if nice guys are good, they will be loved, get their needs met, and live a problem-free life. When this life strategy fails to produce the desired results as it often does, nice guys usually just try harder, doing more of the same. Due to the sense of helplessness and resentment this pattern inevitably produces, nice guys are often anything but nice. The concept of the nice guy syndrome grew out of the author's own frustration of trying to do it right, yet never getting back what he believed he deserved. He was the typical sensitive New Age guy, and proud of it. He believed he was one of the nicest guys you would ever meet. Yet he wasn't happy. As the author began exploring his own nice guy behaviors, caretaking, giving to get, fixing, keeping the peace, avoiding conflict, seeking approval, hiding mistakes, he started noticing numerous men with similar traits in his counseling practice. It dawned on him that the script guiding his own life was not an isolated incident, but the product of a social dynamic that affected countless adult males. Every nice guy is unique, but all have a cluster of similar characteristics. These traits are the result of a script, often formed in childhood, that guides their lives. While other men may have one or two of these traits, nice guys seem to possess a significant number. 1. Nice guys are givers. Nice guys frequently state that it makes them feel good to give to others. These men believe their generosity is a sign of how good they are and will make other people love and appreciate them. 2. Nice guys fix and caretake. If a person has a problem, has a need, is angry, depressed, or sad, nice guys will frequently attempt to solve or fix the situation, usually without being asked. 3. Nice guys seek approval from others. A universal trait of the nice guy syndrome is the seeking of validation from others. Everything a nice guy does or says is at some level calculated to gain someone's approval or avoid disapproval. This is especially true in their relationships with women. 4. Nice guys avoid conflict. Nice guys seek to keep their world smooth. To do this, they avoid doing things that might rock the boat or upset anyone. 5. Nice guys believe they must hide their perceived flaws and mistakes. These men are afraid that others will get mad at them, shame them, or leave them if some mistake or shortcoming is exposed. 6. Nice guys seek the right way to do things. Nice guys believe there is a key to having a happy, problem-free life. They are convinced that if they can only figure out the right way to do everything, nothing should ever go wrong. 7. Nice guys repress their feelings. Nice guys tend to analyze rather than feel. They may see feelings as a waste of time and energy. They frequently try to keep their feelings on an even keel. 8. Nice guys often try to be different from their fathers. Many nice guys report having unavailable, absent, passive, angry, philandering, or alcoholic fathers. It is not unusual for these men to make a decision at some point in their lives to try to be 180 degrees different from dad. 9. Nice guys are often more comfortable relating to women than to men. Due to their childhood conditioning, many nice guys have few male friends. Nice guys frequently seek the approval of women and convince themselves they are different from other men. They like to believe that they are not selfish, angry, or abusive, traits they link to other men. 10. Nice guys have difficulty making their needs a priority. These men often feel that it is selfish to put their needs first. They believe it is a virtue to put others' needs ahead of their own. 11. Nice guys often make their partner their emotional center. Many nice guys report that they are only happy if their partner is happy. Therefore, they will often focus tremendous energy on their intimate relationships. The book shows nice guys how to stop seeking approval and start getting what they want in love and life. It also represents a proven plan to help passively pleasing men break free from the ineffective patterns of the nice guy syndrome. It is based on the author's own experience of recovery and his work with countless nice guys over the last 20 years. The book is unashamedly pro-male. Nevertheless, the author have had countless women support the writing of this material. Women who read the book regularly tell the author that it not only helps them better understand their nice guy partner, it also helps them gain new insights about themselves. If you are a frustrated nice guy, the principles presented in the book will change your life. You will learn effective ways to get your needs met. Begin to feel more powerful and confident. Create the kind of intimate relationships you really want. Learn to express your feelings and emotions. Have a fulfilling and exciting sex life. Embrace your masculinity and build meaningful relationships with men. Live up to your potential and become truly creative and productive. Accept yourself just as you are. If the above traits sound good to you, your journey of breaking free from the nice guy syndrome has just begun. It is time to stop seeking approval and start getting what you want in love and life. Please buy the book to support the author and learn more about the personal stories. How nice guys are made. Habits of highly ineffective men. Ways to cover up perceived flaws and mistakes. Victim triangle. How to reclaim your masculinity. 46 breaking free activities. Proven plan to recover. Success strategies for intimate relationships. Success strategies for satisfying sex. And more. Thank you so much for listening.